Mr. Speaker, sir. Pending Ayodhya cases.
No, आप बैठ जाइए, अच्छी नहीं. आप बैठ जाइए पहले. आप बैठ
can be
जाइए.
classified into two categories. I am referring to Ayodhya cases. The first category is of cases relating to the title dispute. There are 5 such cases, 2 of which have remained pending since over 49 years. The second category is of the case arising out of the happenings of December 6, 1992. In this case, charge sheets have been filed by the CBI against over 50 persons. This case is pending before the Special Additional Sessions Judge, Ayodhya Prakaran, since 5th October 1993. I would like to affirm that ever since I have assumed office in March 1998, neither I nor my government has ever interfered in this case, even though the investigating agency, namely the CBI, is directly under me. As has already been indicated in another context, government holds that interference in a pending prosecution is impermissible in law. Neither the Constitution nor the law disqualify a minister from holding office merely because a charge sheet is filed by the police or formal charges are framed by the court. The question as to who should be in the Council of Ministers is one of Prime Ministerial discretion and sense of political propriety. Many circumstances are relevant to the final decision of the Prime Minister on these issues. In view of the fact that no change in the position of court cases has taken place ever since the ministers concerned were inducted into office in March 1998, and no allegation of corruption or misuse of office is involved, the demand that the ministers quit office or that they be barred from replying to certain questions is untenable. However, the cases will be allowed to proceed without any interference from the government here or at a state level. I urge the House to await the judicial verdict.
This is
Thank
not
you.
the problem.